Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we got Frank here that he's soldering a new condenser here for a customer. This one here, the old one went bad, so he soldered in that and the liquid line dryer, and we've got the walking over here. Here's the old slab coil, and I got Lewis right here. Got the new one there, get a new one installed. So call us for all your AC, heat, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. There's a new one there. Okay, 512-448-0532. 24/7 service. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys on the next video. Here's the other one. All right, bye-bye.